Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. I miss you all. So, this is me trying my iPhone 12 for the first time, and I must say, it is quite good. Today, I'm making Ghana Angwamu special. If you're Ghanaian, you know what this is about. So, these are my ingredients that I have. I have, of course, my onions. I love plenty onions because it makes the food taste really, really good. My toolo beef. If you're having Angwamu and there's no toolo beef, that's not Angwamu. My sausage in Ghana. This is what they do use. Sardia. Yes. This is chicken and my avocado, my eggs, and my pepper. So, and of course, my fried tool. I grew up knowing this fried tool. This is what we use, and that's what I'm going to be using. And of course, the rice. So, you can use whatever rice you have. So, that's up to you. And let's get cooking. So, I got my toolo beef going first. Onions going on. So I'm gonna let this fry for about maybe 3 minutes, and then I'll get the rice. This went on for about maybe 5 minutes, and look at that. The smell is amazing. Now I'm gonna put in the rice. I don't wash my rice when I'm making angwamu or jollof. I don't know why, but I just don't. So I'm just gonna mix everything together and then leave it to fry off for about 10 minutes. And then at the beef and the rice and the onions have, get together, getting to know each other, getting married, I'm gonna leave it for about a minute or so, and then I will add water. And mind you, I've not added any salt because the beef has a lot of salt. So I'm just gonna leave it for a minute, and then I will add water. You guys can't be here. My goodness. Look. Now I'm just gonna stir it and then see if I need a bit more water. I reckon I need just a bit more. With my angwamu or oil rice, I want the rice to be a bit mushy. I don't want it to be, just like jollof. Yeah, I don't know why, but that's how I like my angwamu. So I'm just gonna add a little teeny winky of water, and then I'll be back. Now that's all the water I'm adding, and I've tasted, and I need just a bit of salt. So this is what I'm going to add. That's it. That's the salt I'm going to add, and I'm gonna leave it to do its magic. That's it. Next time you see, you'll be the chopping time. Okay, guys. Heat is about a medium to low because you don't want it too high. That will really burn your rice. You don't want that. So that is it. Now just waiting game. That's it. So there's no angwamu without hot chili pepper. I'm telling you. I know a lot of you might be thinking, oh, this is a lot of chili. No, it's not. You need chili to eat angwamu, especially because of the beef and the oil, so you need a kick somewhere. You know what I mean? Of course, I'm gonna add a little bit of tomatoes to it, so it's not just gonna be hot. Yeah, I'll see you when everything is done. I'm excited. Hey. Oops. Now look, this is done. This is looking really, and I like this part right here, the kanzo. That is the greatest part. Ooh, this is gonna be lit. Guys, just have a look at this beauty. This is beautiful, and I'm just gonna dish it out nicely. Welcome to Ghana Angwamu special. Yes, look at that. Oh my God, welcome to my Angwamu special, Ghana way, all the way from GH, Angwamu special. What's gonna happen is we're gonna add a bit of everything to this. I cannot wait, so we take a bit of this, a bit of sausage. My goodness, I wish you guys were here. I'm holding my phone, so that is why I'm finding it a bit difficult to dish out. So a bit of that, a bit of avocado. So a bit of everything, like I said. A bit of avocado, a bit of the pepper. It's looking great already. All right, don't go anywhere. Come on. And then the almighty. Goodness gracious me, look at this and tell me that you do not fancy this right now. Come on. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I so wish you guys were here to taste this, because it's amazing. But I've shown you how to do it, so I'm definitely sure you can do it. Go on, have a go, try it, and then leave a comment and tell me. Take care until I come your way another time. Please do take care, and remember to be safe.